Pharmaceutical manufacturing can be broadly categorized into several types based on the nature of the products being produced. Here are the main types: sterile manufacturing products, injectable drugs, ophthalmic solutions, inhalation products, and other sterile products. Key considerations: requires a controlled environment to prevent contamination, often involving clean rooms and strict environmental monitoring. Sterilization methods like autoclaving, filtration, and aseptic processing are critical. Non-sterile manufacturing products, tablets, capsules, ointments, creams, liquids, and powders that are not required to be sterile. Key considerations: while less stringent than sterile manufacturing, it still requires controls to prevent contamination, cross-contamination, and ensure product quality and consistency. Biologics manufacturing products, vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, gene therapies, and other products derived from living organisms. Key considerations: biologics manufacturing involves cell culture, fermentation, and other biotechnology processes. It requires specialized facilities and controls to maintain the viability of living cells and the integrity of the biological product. Active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, manufacturing products, the active ingredients used in drug formulations. Key considerations: API manufacturing involves chemical synthesis, fermentation, or extraction processes. Quality control is critical to ensure the purity and potency of the API, finished dosage form manufacturing. Products, final pharmaceutical products ready for consumer use, such as tablets, capsules, injectables, etc. Key considerations: this involves the formulation of APIs with excipients, followed by processes like granulation, coating, and packaging. Over-the-counter, OTC, products manufacturing products, medications available without a prescription, such as pain relievers, cold medications, and antacids. Key considerations: regulatory requirements may differ slightly from prescription medications, but GMP, good manufacturing practice, compliance is still required. Nutraceuticals and dietary supplements manufacturing products, vitamins, minerals, herbal products, and other dietary supplements. Key considerations: although not always classified as pharmaceuticals, these products require manufacturing practices that ensure safety and quality. Often under GMP guidelines, herbal and traditional medicine manufacturing products, herbal remedies, and traditional medicine formulations. Key considerations: often involves the extraction of active ingredients from plants and requires controls to ensure consistency, purity, and efficacy. Personalized medicine manufacturing products, custom medications tailored to individual patients, often based on genetic information. Key considerations: involves complex processes like compounding and may include cell-based therapies and precision medicine technologies. Veterinary pharmaceuticals manufacturing products, medications designed for animals, including livestock and pets. Key considerations: similar to human pharmaceuticals, but with considerations specific to animal health and veterinary regulations. Each of these types of manufacturing has its own regulatory requirements, quality control measures, and specialized equipment and facilities.